In front of me is VIVO X80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Bluetooth and Devices. Then click on Bluetooth at the top and use this switcher if it's not already on. Following that, select Pair New Device and wait for all the available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then hit Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!